In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hatch in Bluebeam. Hatching is a quick way to fill an area with a pattern so it stands out on your PDF, perfect for highlighting rooms, materials, or zones on a plan. We'll keep this simple and clear, following a short sequence that gets the job done without any extra steps. First, open your PDF in Bluebeam Revu, make sure you're on the correct page and at a comfortable zoom level so you can trace the area accurately. If you're working on a complex floor plan or site layout, it helps to zoom in a bit before you start drawing, then zoom out to check your results. Next, go to the markup menu. This is where Bluebeam keeps its drawing and annotation tools. You'll find everything from lines and shapes to text, and of course the hatch tool. If your interface looks a little different, that's okay. Workspaces can be customized. You might also see the same tool on the markup toolbar, depending on how your panels are arranged. Now select Hatch. You can choose it from the markup menu or pick it directly from the markup toolbar if it's visible. As soon as the tool is active, your cursor will be ready to start defining the area you want to fill. Think of this like drawing the boundary that the hatch will live inside. Click to draw a closed shape around the area you want to hatch. Each click places a point, and Bluebeam connects those points with straight segments. Take your time and follow the edges of the space you're highlighting. For curves or irregular boundaries, use more points to keep the outline tight and accurate. If you realize you've started in the wrong place or the outline isn't working, press Escape to cancel and begin again. It's often easier to work in small sections and adjust your view as needed so your clicks land exactly where you intend. When you've completed the outline, double-click to finish the shape. Bluebeam will close the path and apply the hatch inside that boundary. Take a moment to review it. If the hatch doesn't look quite right, you can select it and adjust the control points to refine the edges, or delete it and trace the area again for a cleaner result. A careful outline is the key to a clean, professional-looking hatch. And that's all there is to it. Open your PDF, go to Markup, select Hatch, trace the boundary with clicks, and double-click to finish. With a bit of practice, you'll be hatching areas quickly and clearly on any drawing you work with.